So are we really live? This is another impromptu session inspired by, not just, inspired by DuckDB, of course. Let's see something here. Do we actually open government? Very good. So it actually does work, doesn't it? Let's see. And as always, if you're in the background there, be sure to stop by and say hi. Back over here. I'm back over here. Yeah, I'm streaming a lot this week for some odd reason or other. Okay, let's see something here. So we are using RStudio this evening in Quattro. This session is prompted by this thing here. What to say? Wrangling data by throwing SQL strings at it is not the most ergonomic way to perform interactive data analysis in R. For a while now, we have been working with the duckplyr project team at Posit, formerly RStudio, and Carol Mueller to develop duckplyr is a high-performance drop-in replacement for duckplyr powered by DuckDB. You can read more about duckplyr at the announcement here. For those of you following along, we have prepared a Google Colab notebook with all the code snippets in it. Okay, like many governments, the Government Statistics Agency New Zealand, Stats New Zealand, thankfully provides some of the data sets they maintain as an open data download. Okay, so we start out here. We can download the file. Now these functions here should be part of. They're not part of tidyverse or duckplyr. I think they must be part of the DuckDB library. Okay. Let's explore. We actually got the stuff right over here for us. Okay, so you can see here nothing fancy here. Let's try something. Let's comment these out, and we'll quickly find out where some of these commands are coming from. My guess is they're probably DuckDB library functions. So let's fire this up here. Okay, let's run this. So is this actually part of so what is download part of that? Oh, this is interesting. Huh. This is part of utils package. I didn't know that. So all this is part of the building utils package. That's interesting. What you can notice here, it isn't actually putting anything up in the environment here yet, okay? That's interesting. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so this did work. And here you see this gives us the file size for each, because this contained a bunch of files, and for some reason this should have listed the files down there, I think. But anyway, let's explore the CSV file in the zip and what their sizes are. So this is the files contained with the zip file. The largest one is this data here, which is 85 megabytes, I guess, followed by this one here. Okay, to start with, let's just have a quick look at the file looks like. We'll get the largest file go list the first 10 rows, okay? And there's that. You can see the column headings. Very good. Let's see. We can now use DuckDB, advanced data analytic wrangling capability. So we're going to use call it DuckDB library, and the SQL function is going to say. And one of the things that's interesting about DuckDB, you don't actually have to say select star from. All you got to do is just say from. So it's kind of funky. And there's that. All right. There's the first 10 rows. DuckDB can also print out the schema detected from the CSV file. So again, we're actually going to we're executing this. You know, I bet we could run a mode option there. I bet that's a question for another. Okay, so now we just looked. So now we're running a query against the file. Okay, against this file here, essentially. All right. We can use summarize keyword to compute various summary statistics for all the columns. Now I didn't realize that DuckDB had a summarize function. But again, you see up here the environment is empty. So we're not actually importing anything at this point. Okay, so we got our column name, year, big init, number of values, I guess, maybe, I don't know, maximum, approximate unique values, average, standard deviation, quantiles, and count, null percentage. Okay. Let's get back over to our documentation. We did this. We did that. We did that, right? We did the describe. Yeah, okay, good. Right? And then we did this. Now, this shows all the values. First, we'll join everything.